Good evening guys.
Hi guys,
Ek is die Bat
and I'm the cat.
en vanaand gaan ons bietjie dorp toe.
Yeah. What we're gonna do yet, we don't know. It's a surprise to us as well. Maybe dancing, pub crawling, going to a movie. Let's see what happens.
Okay, but first let's look at a cat's outfit.
So what do you think? For a night out on the town, is this good enough?
How do I look? Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and click on the notification bell. So before you can go out, you need to have something in your stomach.
Yeah, especially if you want a pub crawl, you need something fatty, I would say.
Ja, nou, jy moet iets eet voor jy gaan kuier. So ons het vir ons gekry bietjie Kentucky. Ek het 'n chicken masala meal. Hy brand bietjie en 'n gewone streetwise 2 met twee skoon koutjies.
For now. For now, there's nothing added. But in a couple of minutes, we're going to start adding some extra, what should I call it, sustenance.
So, ons was bietjie dorp toe. Ons het lekker gedrink en lekker geëet en lekker gedans. En nou is ons terug by die huis voor 12:00 voor die nuwe wet ten opsigte van drink en bestuur.
Ja, ek weet nie hoe gaan die mense mee party nie, want selfs 1 bier is oor die limit. So
Ja.
ek weet regtig nie meer hoe ons dit gaan doen nie. Ek gaan seker maar by die huis moet doen en dan by die huis bly.
Ja.
En maar koue water drink as jy gaan dans.
So after the party, we are home now and we're gonna go to sleep.
Yes, now we're gonna go and rest our feet. Dancing is not for sissies anymore.
Remember, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos and click on the notification bell. This is the Bat signing out.
And the cat signing out.